The Lenovo Z5 comes with a full-screen, 19 by 9 6.2-inch display, with a notch up front, and 2.5D Gorilla Glass on top. The company made sure to point out the fact that its notch is smaller than flagship phones like the iPhone X, the Xiaomi Mi 8. Further, the company even boasts of its thinner chin, as compared to Xiaomi devices like the Mi 6X and the Mi 8. However, the real highlight of Z5 display is its support for DCI-P3 color gamut, with 700 nits of brightness, a feature usually seen only in the top-end smartphones of recent times. The screen occupies 90% of the front, which is definitely a feat for its price segment. The back is standard, with a vertically arranged dual camera setup on the left, and a fingerprint sensor at the center. The Z5 is powered by the capable Snapdragon 636, with 6GB of RAM, and 3300 mAh battery, with 18-watt fast charge support. The phone runs on ZUI 4.0, which brings fluidity of the UI, and adds full-screen gestures, AI voice commands, and features such as automatic call answer with gestures. Note that the company has promised the Android P update for the Z5. There's a dual camera setup at the back of the phone, with a primary 16MP sensor, and a secondary 8MP sensor for depth information. Like most other phones of 2018, the camera experience will be enhanced by AI, with support for 4D beauty mode, AI noise reduction, night mode, and AI portrait mode. Further, the company has tied up with ArcSoft for the phone's depth of field algorithms, so expect pretty good bokeh portraits. Front features an 8MP sensor, with beauty mode. Lenovo has ensured that the phone is taking on the Snapdragon 636 powered Redmi Note 5 in China. Pricing starts from 1299 yuan, $202, for the 6GB plus 64GB version, and goes up to 1799 yuan, $281, for the 6GB plus 128GB edition. The phone goes on sale on June 12th. For more video like this, subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching guys. See you guys next one.